extended for use and paid for again. So what we have done is we've taken the cost of extending the use of that spectrum. We've used the same spectrum pricing that PRAI has in its recommendations. We've not changed that, we've used the same numbers. And we've calculated what would be the additional impact then on the consumer's cost per minute if we were to take that fully into account. The third element of the quantum of impact, where we felt that an adjustment is to be made to PRAI's workings, is with respect to minutes of use. So minutes of use comprise of what we call in the industry incoming minutes, which are minutes that come into your phone when somebody else calls you, and outgoing minutes, which is minutes that go out of your phone when you call somebody else. So the total minutes, if you count the incoming and outgoing, gives you basically all the minutes that have been carried, either received or sent in the Indian mobile industry. The way in which the TRAI has calculated the cost per minute impact of 4.45 sub is by counting all of these minutes. So simply put, what it's done is it's taken the cost of the spectrum auctions and it's divided that by the total amount of minutes. And that's come to 4.45 sub. The anomaly with that calculation is that the minutes, if you really want to understand the minutes from the point of view of cost per subscriber, you should only count the outgoing minutes, not all of the minutes. Because it's the outgoing minutes that we pay for. We get billed and charged for outgoing minutes. I get charged for a phone call that I make, and based on the number of minutes the phone call lasts, I get charged a certain amount of money. I don't get charged for receiving a phone call. So if we wish to understand the cost impact on the consumer in a way that helps us understand how that relates to the tariffs that we pay, then it's important to only count outgoing minutes. So, as you can see from the table, there are currently 332 minutes of use per person per month, of which 161 are outgoing minutes, so just under a half. So that impact alone doubles, more or less doubles, the cost per minute impact. So 4.45 star, it more or less doubles it alone. So taking financial year 14, and before I do this, let me just remind you of the initial working table. So just to keep it simple, if you take year 14, next year, the TRAI's cost impact calculated is 4 paisa per minute. And we believe, after recalculated based on all of those issues, it's actually 26.1 paisa. And the reason why we believe that is because of the mathematics that has been done. It's based on the points that I just raised, and that comes to 26.1 paisa.